The question number one, that is the relative magnetic permeability of the type 1 superconductor is, what is the option? 0 or -1 or 2 pi or 1 by 4 pi. This is the question we are going to discuss now. To solve this problem, we need two formula. The first one is the magnetic field induction or magnetic induction B equal to mu times H. That means the permeability of the medium times the magnetic field. H means applied magnetic field. This is the first formula we need. The next one, the magnetic induction B equal to the mu naught vacuum permeability times the magnetization plus the magnetic field. This is the same formula we need. The third one we need, that is the magnetic susceptibility of the material, the chi equal to magnetization divided by the applied magnetic field, amount of the magnetization versus applied magnetic field. This is the third formula we need. Once we know all these formula, then we can solve this problem. Apart from that, we need to know one more quantity. For the type 1 superconductor, the magnetic susceptibility value, the chi, that value for the type 1 superconductor, that would be equal to -1. These four information if you are having, then we can solve simple manner. What we can do, we are going to substitute the chi value, or we just rearranging this chi. How we can rearrange? The magnetization is equal to, if the magnetic field denominator H goes to that side, it will be in numerator. So the magnetic susceptibility times the magnetic field. This is a magnetization. Now we can substitute this value in the formula 2. Suppose if you are substituting in the second equation, what we will get? The magnetic field induction B equal to mu naught the vacuum permeability times the magnetization. Here we are replacing by the chi times H. That means the magnetic susceptibility times the magnetic field plus there is a H. So we can put the H, extra H. Now what we can do, we can extract the common H from this equation. So the magnetic field B equal to, that would be mu naught times the H, you can take the commonly out, into chi plus 1. Chi is here the susceptibility of the medium, that is for the type 1 superconductor here we are discussing. Anyway, this is a required rearrangement. Now we can substitute the first equation here, because the magnetic field we know, that is the permeability of the medium times the applied magnetic field, that is a magnetic field induction B, that would be equal to the, already we derived that value, mu naught times H into chi plus 1. This is the required formula. Now what we can do, we can cancel that magnetic field left hand side, right hand side. Then you can rearrange this mu naught to the left hand side. It will give the permeability of the medium divided by the permeability of the vacuum, that would be equal to the chi times, sorry, not chi times, chi plus 1. So this ratio in general, the permeability of the medium divided by the permeability of the vacuum, that would be equal to relative permeability of the that medium. So mu r, this is we need. Here they are asking what is the relative magnetic permeability of the type 1 superconductor. So the type 1 superconductor relative permeability in general, that mu r value, that would be equal to the chi, the magnetic susceptibility plus 1. We know that for the type 1 superconductor, because type 1 superconductors are diamagnet, the diamagnetic susceptibility value is -1. Here already we represented using the equation. So we can substitute this -1 here. So here if you are substituting the chi for the type 1 superconductor, -1, already the +1 will be there. That would be equal to the relative magnetic permeability. So the relative magnetic permeability, hence that would be equal to +1 -1, that would be equal to 0. Hence The relative permeability of that type 1 superconductor, it's a 0. The option would be the first one, the A. The answer is 0. This is the right option.